In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix cloud gaming on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general steps that you can follow to fix any issues attributed to cloud gaming. This is going to work if you want to use cloud gaming through a web browser or through the Xbox application on your PC, which in my opinion is the better way of using the service. So first, I would recommend trying this out on the website. By doing this process on the website first, you will be able to see if the problem only happens inside of the Xbox app or if it happens on the website as well. When you select any game available on cloud and you click play on the website, as long as you are signed into a Microsoft or Xbox account and you have a Game Pass subscription active, you might get this warning where a controller is not detected. So the first step for you to fix any issues attributed to cloud gaming is to make sure that you have a controller connected to your PC. This might seem simple, but a lot of the games available on the Game Pass catalog will not allow you to play them if you don't have a controller. So by connecting a controller, pressing any button, you will load immediately into the game as you can see on screen. If this doesn't work, but you know for sure that the controller is being detected by your computer, you can switch to a different web browser to address if the issue is attributed to the web browser that you are using or if the problem is with the service overall. With this out of the way, you should be able to log in and play. Alternatively, if you notice that the web browser doesn't work, move on to the second step, which is trying out the Xbox application. So look for the Xbox app on your PC. You will be able to click on your name at the top left corner of the screen and then choose the option to sign in, where you have to go into cloud gaming. This is where you can use the service just like you would if you were doing this process through a web browser. So all of the games are also going to be available here. You can look for them, and as you can see, Fortnite specifically is only available on a web browser, so keep that in mind. I assumed it was going to be here, but it seems like there are differences. Once again, in the Xbox app, you will be able to select any game available here to play it over cloud. Now, for most of these available on the app, you are going to need the Game Pass subscription. Fortnite is an example of a game that doesn't actually require the subscription. If you are unable to get it working on the Xbox app, the last thing that I would recommend is to go over to the Microsoft Store and look for Xbox, where you can update the app to the latest version. The Xbox app is a default app available on all versions of Windows, in Windows 10 and Windows 11, and if you are running an outdated version of it, you might experience problems when trying to use cloud gaming or Game Pass, so make sure that it is always up to date and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix cloud gaming on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.